As humans, we all have an innate desire to connect with others. May it be art, music, or the many adventures that we chase, something always pulls us together. Unfortunately, times are hard, and we all have found ourselves separated, isolated, and alone. However, the human spirit always finds a way to rise above and keep pushing. Our lives have changed, but our smiles have not. Our room to explore has been reduced, but our creativity has expanded exponentially. Hope lives on through all of us, and one day soon, we will raise our glasses to a new tomorrow.